Hello friends, today I'll show modeling of Geneva well. It is a very important part of Geneva mechanism. It consists of 4 numbers of slots. This is Geneva mechanism, right? Some slots are there, and here also some circular portion is there. So for drawing this one, we have to use pattern, circular pattern. For modeling this object, we have to use circular pattern twice. Okay. Let's start this one. We have to draw initially 2 concentric circles of diameter 72 mm and 29 mm. Okay, let's start it. On the top plane, we have selected top plane. We have to draw a center line. With center line, we can make one center line is there, and the center line is equal. Two lines are there. Next, we have to draw 2 concentric circles of diameter 72 and 29 mm. Done. Please provide smart dimension to that one. Big one is 72 mm. The smaller one is 29 mm. The small circle will be actually for construction purpose only, right? Let's convert this one to construction circle and construction circle. Next part, we have to make a slot over here, right? And the slot depth will be 4.25 mm or radius will be 4.25 mm. Let's see that drawing again. It is 4.25 mm radius here, so okay. So starting from this point known as arc, you can draw an arc over here. Okay. Let's put smart dimension to that one. This should be 4.25 mm. 4.25 mm. Next one, we have to draw here the slot portion. We can draw it through a rectangle. You can draw a rectangular portion. Okay. Now if you see the dimension, it will be same as like diameter of this one. Okay. Now we can trim some unwanted portion. This one need not to be, this one can be trimmed out. Okay. Okay, fine. Next part, we have to use circular pattern to make 4 numbers of the same object. So this object should be selected first. This portion is not required. We have selected that object. Now we have to make a circular pattern. 4 numbers of pattern is ready. Green check. Now some unwanted portions should be trimmed out. Trim entities. You can delete this part. All these parts can be deleted from this drawing. Now next part, again similar type of things you have to do. That is, here 1/4 circle part should be trimmed out, right? Let's see the drawing again. Here it's here this one, right? So one arc to be made of radius 28 mm, and from this point, this line and this line, the distance should be 31.74 mm. Okay. Let's draw the arc right now. Now to get the center of the arc, we can use the tracking point. You can try this one and get the center point. Okay, this is the center point. So let's draw the arc. Okay, arc is ready. Now smart dimension to that one is 28 millimeter. Okay, next the location of the center is required. So how to do this one? For center, if you drag this one from here to here, this one is 31.74 millimeter, right? Smart dimension, this one to the center point is 31.74 millimeter. 31.74. Okay. Again, from here to the center point is just something 31.74 millimeter. Done, right? Drawing is complete, so green check. Next part, similar thing you have to do again by using circular pattern. Okay, so select that object. Object is selected. Now circular pattern, phone number 6 made, green check. Okay, again like the previous one, this part should be deducted out by three entities. Okay, select this part out, this one also, this one also, this one also. So our drawing is ready. Green check and exit from the sketch. Next, select sketch again, then features, extrude both ways. While extrusion, it is asking to set the contour. This is the contour and extrusion depth equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, now very little is remaining. So here you want to point one cylindrical portion. Let's see the drawing here. One diameter of 6 millimeter, and it will be through a height of 4 millimeter. One cylindrical portion will be there with diameter 6 millimeter. Okay, so select that plane, normal to draw a circle over here, right? This is the center line. Another center line can be done to get the location of the circle. Okay, so this is that one. Okay, draw that circle. Just write smart dimension to that one as 6 millimeter. Okay, green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch again and features, extrude both ways, and extrusion depth will be 4 millimeter. Okay, this part is done. Green check. Now bottom part also have to do similar type of things. Bottom part also two cylindrical parts will be there. One having diameter 10, another will be diameter 6 millimeter, right? Okay, and normal to we have to draw the center line again. Sketch, center line, now two concentric circles should be required. Initially we make one only, diameter 10 millimeter. Smart dimension, diameter 10 millimeter. Green check and exit from the sketch. Select the sketch, features, extrude both ways, and extrusion depth equal to 10 millimeter. green check is done. Okay, now here on this selected part also another cylinder will be required. Select that plane, normal to, draw the circle again, diameter is 6 mm. Green check, exit from the sketch, select that sketch again and features extrude watch base. And here in this case extrusion depth will be 4 mm. Okay, done. So our model is ready. This is our model, right? Okay. To have a better look, we can do some kind of appearance can be provided to this one. Let's provide some appearance to this one as metallic appearance. Let's provide brass. Okay. Now to have better look again, you can change the background little bit. Perfect. This is our Geneva wheel, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again.